we need to perform the sum of these two algebraic divisions. In this case, the denominator is not the same in the two expressions. Therefore, we need to find the least common multiple. For doing so, we write the denominators in this way, 6x and 8x. We find an expression that can be divided exactly by any of these two expressions here. In this case, we have the x that is common between the two. So 8x divided by x, the result will be 8. 6x divided by x, the result will be 6. Now we have the number 6 and the number 8. If we observe, normally we start with the lowest value, the integer, in this case a number 2. So it will be 8 divided by 2 is 4. In this case, 6 divided by 2 is 3. You observe we have the number 4 that could be exactly divided by 2 again. So I will do that. 4 divided by 2 is 2. The 3 divided by 2 is not an integer, so I will write the 3 as it is. I won't do anything in it. The next step, if you observe, we have again a number 2, so I will divide again the number 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. When you get a 1, you are done with that column, so you can focus only in the rest columns. In this case, we have only one column left. So we have 3 divided by 2 is again a non-integer, so this will be 3. I will write 3. The next number that we can use to divide exactly the number 3 will be the number 3. The 1, we can just pass it as it is, and 3 divided by 3 is 1. Once we get number 1 in this case, the two columns, then we are done. The next step is that we need to multiply the result that we have written here. This case will be 3 by 2, 6 by 2, 12 by 2, 24. So 24x. This is the least common multiple. Therefore, I will write it in the denominator of the result, 24x. The next step we need to do is to take this expression and divide the first denominator. In this case will be 24x divided by 6x. The x divided by the x will be eliminated, right? And the 24 divided by 6 will be 4. And this number 4, the result should be multiplied by the numerator. In this case will be 24x divided by 6x is 4, multiplied by 7 is 28. Then we take the sign, in this case is positive, of the next term. And then the same procedure. 24x divided by 8x is 3. And 3 by 5 is 15. Then 28 plus 15 will be 43. 43 divided by the 24x, right? This 24x. And this is the result.